Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. You got a VN1500 Classic, you want a bit more go. Okay, this is for your EFI models. We also do them for the carburetor models, but we are running out massively on those. Now, this particular item will not only give you better MPG, better performance, better looks, better intake roar. It's just a win-win situation with this baby. This is a Kawasaki 9408. This is the original Kawasaki. You can see here you got your twin throats. This goes onto your throttle bodies because you've got two of them. Okay, a normal bike only has one. The other exception are some of the Suzukis, like the C800, etc., and the Kawasaki VN9, which is also an awesome performance bike. Now, the great thing about this particular kit we do has got the Magneti dual throat hyper, so this will match up with this, giving you an enormous amount of air, which is going in with this particular Pro one. You can see how big those flaps are, and you will have a washable K&N in there as well, so you never need to buy another filter unless it catches fire or something stupid. But if you want the maximum power out of your VN1500 Classic or your 1600 Classic, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. These are discontinued. That ain't just a sales pitch, but they are. We also do a smaller version, which is called a standard. Okay, this is your Pro. The standard version, basically, if you want to have a look at this one off a VN9, this is a VN9 one. This is just the tape to protect the thing, you know, protective stuff. But this particular one, as you can see, it is lower by quite a bit if you've got short legs. Okay, so this will not stick up as much. You can add a thing called a Stinger, which in my opinion gives you a lot more power, because it not only lines up with these lines, but there's an extra ram air, almost like a Pro R, I should say. But this is another cracking little hyper that we do. Okay, so if you're interested, give us a call, 01773 835 666. These are definitely discontinued. They are not available anymore. Phone Kawasaki and find out, or any of your wholesalers. It's 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.